This video today is about our cleanout process. At the beginning of the cleanout process, if you've been running in auto, you're already going to have material inside the machine. If you ran the machine in manual, you want to make sure you put a final bucket in without the machine running, so that at the end of your cleanout process, you can run the mixer and get all your water and flush out of the machine. First step I'm going to do is go over and you want to run your color pump in reverse. So you hit the double arrow, reverse, and just start your pump. Give it about 2 minutes. Let the colorant run back into the tote. At the end of it, you stop it, go over and shut your tote down. Once I have unhooked it from the tote, I've hooked it back up to the freshwater cleanout adapter. I'm going to open up our water valve. I'm just going to run the pump back and forward and let it pull in water through the color pump hoses to get the hoses nice and clean. At this point, after you've cleaned out your color pump, the last process you want to do is clean out the rest of your water tree and your nozzles, spray nozzles up on top of the mixer section. In order to do that, you want to close down the big red valve so you're only putting water through the mixing chamber. You'll open up the little valve all the way and turn your water on. Once that water is running, you're going to want to walk up on top, climb up your ladder or your staircase, and check and make sure you have flow out of each of those nozzles. There are plungers up there that you're going to want to plunge to get any contaminations out and make sure you got good flow. You'll shut down the little valve for your mixing side, open up your red valve, which is the hopper side, 100%, climb back up on top and peek in and see, make sure you got fresh water flowing through each side. If you have any colorant coming through with that water, just wait until it's all clear water. At that point, you come down and turn all your water off. At the end of the process of flushing out all your nozzles and color pump, the last thing you need to do is just have your mixer in manual. You're going to want to start your conveyor and then just turn your mixer on. That's going to take all of your material, your water flush, your color and everything, and take it out of the machine so it doesn't freeze in the winter time. And when it's running up the belt, it'll already be colored from everything that you've had in there, and you will not contaminate your finished product.